What's going on, guys? Marky Williams from the YouTube channel Online Certification Course. Here I'm going to give you 5 steps on how to build a successful online course business for beginners. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment below as to what you would like to get certified in, and I can send you a link to check out personally. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on any new certification programs that you might want to take up. So let's get with step 1. Decide what to teach. Tap into what is trending right when it launches off. There are so many courses out there, but you have to find what the people you're targeting is looking for. You can either go broad, but I find it best to hone in on cities, states, and even towns. See what is trending in their states in regards to, let's say, employment. There's going to be a surge in food safety procedures in the food industry, and you could build a course based around food safety certifications and target teenagers and even adults. You can sell them on by getting certified on your own through my course. You will have a better chance on that position since you're already certified. You can also state now the employer doesn't have to waste their time and money to do so, but also on the flip side, you can negotiate a little extra in your wages. Or you could have an online course business on modifying cars. Trends on different car types, modification varies through states and towns. Find out what's trending in your town or state just to start. People flock to YouTube to pull up that type of info. You have to do your research. Step 2. Validate market demand. 3 ways you could do this, which there's more than 3 ways, but I will use 3 for the time's sake. So the first one, observe search trends related to your product. Google keyword tools is a good place to start. Number 2, perform a test on Google AdWords campaigns. Number 3, analyze your competition, gathering information about your main competitors. Are they pulling in numbers? Check their YouTube channels to see what their views and subscriptions are like. Then copy that. Yes, I said it. Copy that, but put your own secret ingredients in it to make it yours. Step 3. Create a compelling and unique brand. Create a low niche brand which helps a person. I'm going to say it again. Create a low niche brand which helps a person. This could be an educational course, how to grow indoor plants or how to groom your rabbit, or create a course on how to prepare yourself for a physical. Always remember, if a brand is personal, it is by definition unique. It is an expression of a person's interests, values, priorities, and styles of communications, among other things. If you do not introduce consumers and invite them to experience your world, there's nothing unique for them to witness or enjoy. Step 4. Build your audience. Of course, when we all get started on this journey, we start out 0 or just 1,000 of our social media friends and family. So to start building your audience will take some time, of course, through social media. There's many ways to promote yourself. You could create a Facebook page showing off your online course business. Join other pages to get tips and tricks on how to build an audience. Some Facebook pages allow you to promote your content as long as you're not spammy. You can also run Facebook ads promoting your online course business, or just with your 1,000 friends across Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. You can shoot your own videos for free, load them up, and have them share it out and retweet it. Make sure you ask social media their input about whatever course you have selected. Let's just say drone flying. You can say, hey, what's going on, Facebook fam? Let me know where all my drone junkies at. New rules and regulations are coming up, and I have the course on how to keep you registered, licensed, and flying high. Let me know if you need any assistance on staying up to date. It's that simple. Step 5. Create an online course. There's numbers of ways to create a customized course, but I go through these 3 online affiliate advertisers, which I will put in the link below. The courses are already pre-made. They are backed by the BBB and are regulatory compliant. Your job is to get that course in front of a person who needs it. They purchase, you get a commission, and the support team of that course will handle the rest with the customer. They have tons of selections to choose from, and one of the pluses is that they have blog centers where you can put out their content under the affiliate link and paste it to your page, channel, or post of your niche. And there are my 5 steps to building a successful online course business for beginners. You could take these 5 steps and dig a little deeper through that powerful search engine we call Google to get an additional amount of content on these 5 steps. Many thanks for taking some time out to check out my tutorial. You will also find me on Facebook, Marky Williams, where I also have a page, Online Certification Course, where you can like, follow as well. Many thanks once again. It's Marky Williams, and I'm out.